we are back with some breaking emergency spice news. Bitcoin ETFs, the talk of the town the last months, finally, right now, just minutes ago, was approved by the SEC. This is not a rumor. This is not speculation. This thing is back and price is going wild. So we're going to take a look at what's going on, the proof that the ETF's approved, and we're going to basically have an ETF watch party because these charts are going nuts. Let me pull it up here. Bitcoin rocketed to a new high, and if you notice, 48K baby, touched it and now back down, whipsawing out pretty much everyone who was speculating on the move. Now let me pull up the announcement here. This is from the SEC on their Twitter. This is not he said, she said, my neighbor thought, ETF approval on Thursday, or whatever. Here we go. This is from Securities and Exchange Commission. Today, the SEC grants approval for Bitcoin ETFs for listing on all registered national security exchanges. The approved Bitcoin ETFs will be subject to ongoing surveillance, compliance measures, and ensure continued investor protection. This is fucking huge. This is huge. It was the boy who cried wolf, and now it's back. This is real. Go look it up. It's not a dream. We're here. Bitcoin finally has not just one ETF, but many ETFs. And we're gonna, I don't know, play some tunes and watch the fireworks, guys. I do not recommend, this is like a Chirpow stream. I do not recommend trading. I think you're very, very likely to just get whipsawed out of a position, whether it's bullish or bearish. I think all stops are likely going to get hit. My hands are off, and I'm just going to watch it. We're going to watch it burn, baby. Let's go. So here's what I need from you guys. Smash that like button. I haven't had time to share this on Twitter or any other real platform, so if you could share it for me, that'd be amazing. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Get the hype up. I want to hear in chat what you guys are thinking, what this week is going to hold for us, because this changes everything. I was in the mindset of just F it. It'll come when it comes. I don't want to get excited every other day and then get let down. Little did I know that on a Tuesday, just 20 minutes before the market closed, Mr. Gensler and the SEC would finally take a knee to the corn. Let's go. Let's go. Bitcoin price action, not loving it. Not loving it here. Trading down to 45.4. Wow, look at the dump on the ETF. Holy shit, boys. That is actually not nearly as big as it looks. This is about a 6% move from the 47.9 high. Here's my thoughts, and then I'll get to the chat. One, price is likely to be very, very volatile today, even tomorrow, into the end of this week, and even likely all of January, just based on this. Logically, an ETF should not have any kind of move like this. It doesn't really make much sense in my opinion. Big movers right now, likely GBTC. CME is probably actually in track. GBTC, we'll pull that up in a second. It doesn't make any sense. An ETF is very much a one-way on-ramp of money into Bitcoin. It's not a selling mechanism. So while we do have this sell-off, and we could even see more of a sell-off, I'm not really going to be shaken by it. I believe that this is just whipsawing of leverage positions, and we'll look at what's going on with perps, obviously, in just a second. GBTC, sorry for the white screen. Hopefully you're not blind. You can see closing up its day, 39 after moving to a new 24 high, seeing that same kind of selling off, but only closing $1 down from its $40 high today, 2%. That's actually not so bad. I didn't mean to pull this up, but hey, golden cross, weekly golden cross. I think we can write that down as played out bullishly. But it's a lagging indicator. Bro doesn't even know it's a lagging indicator. Anyway, sorry, I gotta get my jabs where I can take them. What is this? January, what is it today? It is the 9th, January 9th, 2024. We now have a Bitcoin ETF, or many Bitcoin ETFs. What's better than one? Many. For those of you tuning in, this is not clickbait. For once, this is real. Yes, the SEC officially did approve all Bitcoin ETFs, and there could not be anything spicier. Not be anything spicier, guys. I almost want to leave this up in the corner for people who join so that they can see it. Whoa, what the hell? What in the real? Okay, this is the chart I just made. Let's get rid of everything. Let's go back to the basics chart. So far, so good. Looking at this really basic draw out, really price could return all the way to 44 and have very little problems. What I don't want to see is trading below yesterday's open, and that number is just right below 44K, 43.9. The low, 44.7, still good. Still have a little bit of room, but this move is wild. I definitely did not see this coming today. I think a lot of people were banking on the approval being, what, Wednesday or trading starting Thursday. It seems that we were being too bearish. It was coming sooner. All right, I'm pulling up the chat. We have 1,500 viewers. Let's go, fam. Hell yeah. Today is the day to tune in. It is the spiciest of spice right now. Bitcoin going crazy. I guess we expected that. Going crazy off this ETF news. And let's mark on the chart where we got it. This tweet was at 4:11 p.m. East. Let's put that on the chart. Let's go to East time so I can not have to think about this. If I even knew where East time was on this. Here we are. There, New York. All right, 4:11, 4:12, right here. Undeniable. Undeniable that this price action is a result of that tweet. In the exact minute that the SEC tweeted this, Bitcoin did run up to 48K. It took a little bit more than 4 minutes before it started retracing, hitting a high. Let's see, this high is at 47.9 and our low right now. Let's just mark these on the chart. I'm a little jittery. This is maybe the most kind of excitement that I've seen on the coin in a while. This is pretty freaking wild. Let's pull this up. There we are. Our range high right here is where the SEC tweeted. SEC tweeted. The tweeters. They're tweeters, man. All right. There it is. Pretty undeniable that that's completely related, right? Retracement so far back to the 0.5. Have a little bit of local resistance up here at the 618. I don't even really want to do analysis today because honestly, guys, anything I say is really just going to be, I mean, it's all speculation, but this is even more. I don't really expect the charts to be giving us signals, to be giving us clear-cut signs of what's next. I really don't think we're going to get it. I really think we're just going to see some chaotic price action. And judging by how fast they got hacked, judging by how fast the chat's moving, you probably are feeling the chaos too. They got hacked. That's a funny like response to the tweet. Yeah, they got fished. All right. It's not approved, dude. I'm going to like close this down. It got hacked? Are you joking me? The SEC got hacked? Bullshit. What? Hold up. Am I really that? Did I fall for it? It is a hack, chat. It's true. It's not true. How are we so confused? All right, here's what we need. Where are we hearing this hacked thing from? Because this is a government account on Twitter. It'd be all kinds of felonies to like go ahead and do that. It's not that that's impossible, but then we would expect immediately the SEC would follow up. So let's type in SEC hacked on Google. Let's sort by the past hour. SEC says Bitcoin is not approved according to Forex Live. What? 4 minutes ago. You know what? This is getting even spicier than it having it be approved. All right, it says the SEC says its Twitter account was hacked. And the info comes from Bloomberg. All right, let's change the title to breaking SEC hacked, right? SEC hacked Bitcoin ETF approval. Not yet. I don't know. The SEC Twitter hack was compromised and an unauthorized tweet was posted. The SEC has not approved the listing and trading of spot Bitcoin. Oh, let's go to Gary Gensler. Going to Gary Gensler live. Heading on over to the Gensler. Let's pull this up. The SEC account was not hacked. Dude, this drama is chaos. It's chaos. Even more crazy than it being approved out of nowhere. This is, I mean, that's a smart hacker, though. Let's be real. We've seen some hackers in the past on Twitter who gained control of, like, I think Obama's account or something when he was president, and they made, like, I don't know, a few $1,000s. This one being put really to the test. This is insanity. How have they not taken it down yet? Jess, protecting investors, but you can't protect your X account. Maybe you should improve. Maybe you, Crypto T, shout out to you. Great comment. Maybe you should approve it to protect investors at this point because you tweeted it. Oh my God. Oh my God. How is this real life? I'm untweeting this. Luckily, I didn't even tweet about it. I did rile y'all up, but I promise it was not. It was not clickbait. This was genuine. Why would we assume the Twitter of the SEC would get hacked, huh? Well, either way, we did hit 48K. If the ETF is not approved, which price is likely showing us right here, then maybe TA is a little bit more in the realm of logical or going to be tied to the chart. If the ETF was approved, there's a lot of new dynamics and money flow, and probably not gonna get a good read. But if this is just another FOMO FUD event, maybe we can get a little handle. So let me check a sec. Let me check. I changed the title to SEC hacked. Wild, dude. Who had this on their bingo card? Anybody have this on their bingo card? I did not. 2024, that the Securities and Exchange Commission's account would not only get hacked, but it would get hacked and then used to tweet bullshit in order, likely, we should do some investigations onto who randomly went long a few minutes before. That'll probably yield some insight to who the hackers are. Obviously, we're seeing some red because the candles are red. Money flow is turned down. Let's look at the damage on the day. Not even back to the day. All right, well, this goes even more. I think this is like even more true now here for traders. I said we have a good amount of leeway before this dump really impacts the chart. For those who are just joining again, 43,950, yesterday's open would be a decent spot to see a retracement to. At least at the moment, it does look like 44.7 is holding. So we have a good amount of room to the downside before this gets serious. And knowing that, dude, I'm just going to read the chat. I'm not even going to try to like BS up here. You're scared. You're scared. Don't be scared, buddy. Don't be scared. You don't need to be scared. You're here. You're in our arms. We've got you. Twitter site compromised. I know, T&D. I changed the title. We got it. CoinDesk says it's fake news. This is the wildest shit, man. I thought like the BitBoy drama was the wildest shit crypto would have. Nope. We've got the SEC being hacked and tweeting about ETFs. What a freaking world we live in. What a world we live in. Well, if you want to see me get bamboozled and hoodwinked, if you want to see someone pull one over on me, go back to the beginning of this when I thought it was real. Although, why would you not think it's real, right? I guess that's the point of it. What are you guys feeling? Gary got punked. I got punked. Some of you guys got punked. Is what it is. Schrodinger's Gary. What's up, Dale? Smart people here understanding how Bitcoin retail are getting played. Absolutely. I mean, retail is always getting played in crypto. Constantly. Like, that's like the joke. It's not even a joke, right? It's like if your friends start messaging you about Bitcoin, it's time to start thinking about taking profits. It's not even a joke. It's reality. Just like real. We trusted you, brah. I'm ruined. Almost 5 years of a pristine reputation down the drain from one hack tweet. I went live as soon as I saw it, or I tried to. I have to change the thumbnail. No. Nope. All right, I'm adding to the thumbnail. I'm all right. Nope. SEC hacked. Or maybe nope. Let's just change this. We're going to change the thumbnail while we're live. There it is. That's wild, dude. How does the SEC's account get hacked? Like, are you effing kidding me? Let's animate it a little bit. We'll add just a little outline. We're done with this. This isn't what we're doing for the stream. Don't worry. Just want to change it so people don't come in. Actually, maybe we do want them to come in and spam, right? That's just engagement, baby. Speaking of engagement, keep smashing the likes, subscribe, send a message in the chat, share the stream out. Engage. All right. We have over 2,000 viewers. Dude, you know what? We're all learning a lesson here, myself included. We're learning a lesson. The lesson is this. The SEC did not approve an ETF. We all got bamboozled, right? But this video being named SEC approves Bitcoin, having the thumbnail and title. We have 2,500 live viewers right now. Clickbait works. That's the lesson. The lesson is we can't really hate people for clickbait because that's just what YouTube feeds you. Had the title of this been nothing. I don't know, just Bitcoin live. There wouldn't be half as many people here. A little lesson on the old social media platforms. So 46.6 looks like a logical retracement target here. It is basically just the open of the candle. We have a very big swing high and a very big swing low. I would honestly expect price to start compressing here because this news isn't real, and basically just returning to that mean of 46.6. That is our 618 retracement, was the hourly open. Just looks like a good spot. Good spot to kind of come up here and chill after the wild, fake ETF approval. I don't know, man. Let me see. Tweet's gone. They already did it. Good. Well, at least they picked that up. That's wild. The tweet went down. Let's look at it. Do I still have the tab pulled up? Yep. That's not right. That was a wrong tab. I don't think I have the tab pulled up anymore. I'll try to find it. Hold up.